I am sick of you and your weird smile.
Oh, you mean this one?
I know you're hiding some dirty, nasty shit in your gross little BlackBerry phone.
Emmy's gotta send another picture.
Wait,
That's gonna be a lot of blur. Guys, welcome to Uno.
Woo!
This is gonna be Uno, but with a little twist. Every time somebody plays a +2 card or a +4 card, you're going to have to show everybody here a random image from your camera roll.
I don't know if... Do you understand what you're doing? Do you understand what's gonna happen? Does this man understand?
What's gonna happen?
Oh, Drumsy, you're so poor and naive. It's okay.
Drumsy, would you like to see my dick and balls?
I think you should see them. I think that y'all are about that point in your friendship where you should see it.
You're acting like I haven't seen it yet.
The less I know about these two's lives, the happier I am.
Everybody get to your Uno stations! Alright, who's starting? I think... Oh, my thing is blue, so it's my turn. Okay.
Me, because I'm... No!
Okay, so we're on a green 2. Uh-oh, who goes after me? Emmy, I guess you gotta drop a picture in the chat.
You guys suck. You said just a random picture?
Yeah, just any random picture.
Okay.
Oh, no! Okay! That's gonna need a lot of blur. That's gonna need so much blur.
Is that okay? That's my home screen. Here, I'll post another one.
No, stop,
No,
Emmy,
Emmy,
stop.
no.
Stop. Emmy, stop.
Alright, Peach, you're up.
Do you see that?
You know what they say about blue 4?
What do they say?
There's blue of,
What?
God, we are on point today with these jokes.
Take it back now, y'all.
Ooh, back to Emmy.
You know what they say about blue 7?
What do they say about Blue 7, Emmy?
There's blue of,
I hate this. I hate this with a passion.
I would like to gift this +2.
Moxie, drop a pic in the chat, buddy.
Pic in the chat.
Pic in the chat.
Pic
Send
in the
me
chat.
your dick. What?
What?
I'm not gonna do that. Here we go.
What
Not
does
the
it say?
eye funny watermark. Are you
Oh,
kidding
Moxie.
me?
God.
You got it.
You're just exposing yourself for looking at eye funny.
Drumsy, you know what they say about blue 8?
Stop it. Stop it. Just put the goddamn card
There's
down.
blue of,
Wait, everybody stop. Guys,
girls.
have you heard the news?
What news?
Do you have an STD?
The Drumsy U2's figure drops today.
Don't drop it! Where are you gonna know? Stop.
Look at this figure. It's so slick. I helped design it myself, and it directly supports our channel. It drops today, and after it's sold out, it's never getting made again.
Wow.
Oh, no.
It looks like you, but even taller.
What? Frequently bought together, Drumsy U2's plus Mason jar.
Ooh.
I can't figure that one out yet.
If these do really well, they might make more figures for us, maybe including other people from my videos.
Click the link in the description right now and go to U2s.com and pick up a Drumsy U2's figure. I'm actually really excited about this. Okay. Blue 5.
Blue 3!
Blue 3 coming in. This is Blue 9.
Blue 9, I hear you loud and clear, yet I raise you something different.
Is this against protocol?
No, and I don't even know what the word protocol means.
What is it, Emmy?
Thanks for asking. It's a yellow 9. One time, when I was 9, I used to have a stuffed animal, and I would soak it with milk until it got hard.
No.
And I would take the soaking wet with milk stuffed animal and toss it against the wall just so I could hear the thud. And the milk would squirt out everywhere, all over the carpet. And my mom would yell at me so much that I would be crying. And I would be crying so hard that I'd throw up on the carpet.
I'm scared.
葡萄式醒腦醒神，正能量撐人，仲有全身靈氣香橙味。
Can I look at your cards, Moxie?
Go away! I'm putting down my 3!
Got a little hat, just kidding, it's my card. Fucking
Oh, Peach needs to draw a card. Uh-oh. Oh.
Mind your business.
Sorry.
Stay
Sorry.
over at your little own
Jeez.
podium.
Jeez. Ugh. Skip, Peach.
What the What the fuck?
He skipped you just like your parents skipped their birth control when they made you.
Got him!
And just like Jesus turned water into wine, I will turn the red 6 into a yellow dime.
Wow.
You should be a rapper.
One time I got banned on Twitter because my account was Emmy Therapist, but it was also spelling Emmy the Rapist.
Oh no.
On Club Penguin, whenever they had like the dance floor, I wanted to say let's rap with the DJ, but I didn't know how to spell rap, so
no.
I said rape and I got banned.
Oh, not on Club Penguin.
I didn't know how to spell rap.
You let your fucking puffle starve. I changed the color to red.
You are a disgusting little slag, you know that? And I know you're plotting against me.
You flatter me.
Ah.
Oh, good thing that's not on me. Moxie!
Show me your penis.
What the hell is that cursed animal?
That's my cat. He's a fucking gremlin.
Goose is nuts, dude. I didn't know Goose was so nutty. You dare enter my car? If you want to sit in my seat, you must answer these questions 3. I gotta draw. Emmy, are you trying to put cards down on my... Emmy, these are your cards! Emmy, you get back here right now.
No, those are not my cards. You dropped them. It was not me. It's you. You dropped them.
Emmy, I'm sending you to your room.
Why don't you... Sebfin, suck my balls?
See this peach? What's that look like?
Pretty little colors.
Yeah, they are pretty
Thank-
little colors. I'm gonna change it to red.
You fucking slag! You don't deserve human rights!
No, but it's Emmy's turn. Don't worry.
Ah!
Shut the fuck up, Moxie. Shut
Fuck
the
you!
fuck up.
Fuck you!
Shut up,
Fuck you!
Moxie.
Fuck
Shut the
you!
fuck-
Fuck you!
Fuck you.
Oh my god, she's going crazy.
Hey! What the fuck?
Try picking those up in desktop mode, Moxie.
Aww.
Stop! Give it back!
Guys, I just want to send pictures from my camera roll. What are you doing?
It's my card!
All right, you're up, Moxie.
I don't have any fucking... God damn it!
Moxie.
Oh my god, he's got so many cards and it keeps going up.
For 15.
Aw.
Aww.
I'm gonna kill all of you.
You're gonna skip me?
This is what it has to be, Drumsy, because you did the same thing to me. And I don't forget things.
That's true, an elephant never forgets.
Whose turn is it?
My turn now. Draw. Draw? Perfect. Yellow 9. Ooh, back to me? I don't like that.
You shouldn't have done that.
Drumsy.
Oh no.
Drumsy.
Oh no.
Drumsy.
Oh no.
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
no.
yes.
It sucks to be
9,
on the
10,
bad side
10,
of
10,
humanity,
10.
doesn't it?
11.
Suffer, you bitch.
Buddy.
Give me a chicken sandwich.
4.
Suck on the dick, Emmy!
Emmy's gotta send another picture.
Okay, here's a picture of my toilet smoking.
That's pretty good. That's nice. I like
Yo,
that.
your toilet's
That's good.
cool.
Fuck, it's still yellow.
Fuck, you're still a virgin.
Ooh.
Hi, Drumsy. Hello.
Yeah, stomp on it. Yeah.
All right, get your pictures out. Peach is gonna be a dangerous one.
Here I am being sacrificed to the gods by Moxie.
Oh, that's fun.
That's really magical.
Yeah.
Oh, who? I don't know who's getting this dick, but take this one.
Oh
Wait, where'd it
no,
go?
it's going to Emmy again.
Oh no! Oh, how tragic.
Here's a picture of me and Ninja, the video
Oh,
game
that's
player.
awesome. Aw.
What the fuck?
Yo, Emmy met Ninja. Did you guys floss?
Yeah, he told me I'm super fucking ugly, and then he punched me in the face and said, "Get out of my sight! I never playing with a woman on stream."
Holy
It's
shit.
so crazy. And then I was like, "Guys, Pog," and everyone clapped.
I was there. It's true.
Come on out from your hidey hole and play a card. Peach, come on. Come on. Yeah. Ooh, that's a good one. Come on. Come play it.
You bitch. How fucking dare
Put
you?
a picture in the
It's
chat,
blue.
Moxie. Put a picture in. If you put a picture in that makes us all laugh, I will shout out your channel and I will tell people to subscribe.
Oh no.
Okay. Well, that won't happen.
Yeah, he has
but
nothing on his camera roll.
Emmy can be the final judge on whether or not you get the shout out.
I'm really good with funny and laughter and humor, I swear.
I found this.
Okay, that got me. I like that. Emmy's the final judge. Emmy, final judge.
I didn't even blow air out of my nose in like the little way people do before they laugh, like that. I didn't even do that.
Didn't even play Fallout New Vegas. Fuck you.
Okay, you know what? I am sick of you and your weird fucking smile.
Oh, you mean this one?
Yeah. What the fuck?
That's fucking weird.
Wipe that freaking smile off your face, because I know you're hiding some dirty, nasty shit in your gross little BlackBerry phone.
Oh no!
Let's go, beach.
Oops, sorry, wrong picture. That was a picture of my U2s.
Woo! You too. Woo!
Okay, I'm gonna drop the picture. This is from an unreleased video that I never put out, and it was me interviewing a furry at a furry convention.
Oh my god.
Next time on Drumsy Season 2. Everyone that bought the new Drumsy U2's figure gets a little too.